Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the LoveBoxxx I Love Red couples box. So let's get started. So this is everything that comes included in the I Love Red couples box. And are you perhaps looking for a great gift for your partner that you can enjoy together? Then this is the perfect choice for you. As you can see, it has a red theme. So every toy has a beautiful red colour. And it contains various toys for couples and comes in a luxurious box as well. Included is a vibrator with a twisted shaft and is made of a body safe silicone. It requires 2 AA batteries and batteries are not included. Press the button at the bottom and it's on. To change the settings, simply tap. And to turn off, simply press and hold down and it's off. A red feather tickler, a silky red eye mask with an elastic backing for the perfect fit, a stretchy cock ring, batteries are included in this, slide up and it's on. To turn off, slide back down and it's now off. Love balls with counterweights and a pair of red fluffy handcuffs with keys as well. And that is the LoveBoxxx I Love Red couples box. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.